Assalamu alaikum. How are you all, class? Okay, student. You all know how to write 0 to 8 as I told you before. So today I am going to tell you how to write number 9 independently on your notebooks. Let's start. First you will make k like this, then go up and come down in a straight line in full block. Okay, so this is the right way to write number 9. One more time I will tell you. Look here, make a curve like this, then go up and come down in a straight line. So this is how you will write number 9. Okay, let's count the balls. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8 and 9. So these are 9 balls. Now what you have to do at your homes, practice more and more of number 9 in this way, so you will know how to write number 9 independently. Thank you, students.